Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 6th Saturday of November. And I do think Bitcoin today is looking quite good because yesterday it did had some nasty shakeout, like going towards the downside. But there's one thing, and there's a key level of support that I noticed is being respected. And today Bitcoin might actually continue to move towards this level, $63,000. I do think so, because we're forming a double bottom at the 4-hour time frame, and on the daily we're forming something known as the inverted hammer. I'm going to show you this one. Okay, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here like that, and I'm going to clean out this thing as well. And look at this. This is an inverted hammer. Do you see this red candle right there? When you're in a downtrend like this, yeah, you're always looking for this inverted hammer just like that. Okay, and from here the prices for 2-3 days move towards the upside, so you expect the next 2-3 days to be green, okay, to remain green. And I'm going to show you this one. Okay, this is what happening. Look, you have this one right there and the red candle, and then you have that inverted hammer. Do you see that? And from here the prices are green. That means a bullish reversal, basically, that from here the prices can go towards the upside. Now equally, we did have a hanging man. Do you see this? This was a hanging man, and that's the reason why the prices fall a little bit down. This is an inverted hammer. The prices are now meant to go towards the upside as well. So let's talk about the hanging man as well, so that I can teach you along the way all these candlesticks. So I'm gonna say hanging man candlestick just like that, and you can see somewhere here, like that, or nearly like this one. This is much more better. You see that when you have a hanging man just like that, the next two candles are red basically, and this was a huge hanging man, and the next candle became just like that, and now you have an inverted hammer. And on the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to show you this scenario that can play out today and tomorrow for Bitcoin. This is going to be a very short, brief update and a sweet update for you. So this for me, from my side, okay, this was the first bottom, the second bottom, and that's bullish reversal as well. And now you're forming some sort of a W just like this. So if you start see Bitcoin moving up like there, this is going to be a neckline here. This is going to be your neckline there, and from wherever you're going to break out of this neckline, from the top here to the bottom here, this can take you nearly I'm going to put a horizontal line here, nearly the 65,000 region area. Okay, do expect Bitcoin to go to 65,000 anytime soon. I don't think it's going to continue moving towards the downside as well, right? And yeah, but for that to happen, of course, this is going to act as a resistance. You break out of it, back test it, then you're going to move. Okay, I'm not saying that you're just going to move all the way. I'm just giving you a scenario that if you break this neckline, breaking is important, back testing is important, then you're going to move. Okay, on the daily time frame as well, there's a level that we've never really lost, and I'm going to show you that level. It has been respected for a very, very long time. Do you see 1, 2 weeks there, okay? We have never really lost 60,372 on the daily. All it was a wick down there, then it picks up. Okay, anytime it went down, the next candle just picked up. Okay, we never ever lost this level right here. This has been acting as a very huge support from 16th of October until we didn't have only this one candle which break down, and the retest was successful. Do you see that the retest also became very successful? So yeah, that Bitcoin is looking very good. I don't think we're gonna go any further down for today. So I do think in the next 2-3 days we're gonna actually do 65,000, and in the maybe today we can do 63,000 as well. Who knows? Really possible. Okay, and for those who do not know the channel as well, you can go to YouTube and write out coins here. Okay, you're gonna see something very, very similar to this one, and you can watch daily updates just to keep up to date. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's Bitcoin update. I'm not gonna do a very, very long analysis at the moment. I've been giving you the previous support and the resistances levels in the previous videos as well. So I do think we're moving to $63,000 and then $65,000, and that's it for today's update. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video. Allah Hafiz.